In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Facebook Marketplace from friends. If you want to list something for sale on Facebook Marketplace without showing it to your Facebook friends, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. Just keep in mind that this setting is available for personal seller listings, and depending on the type of listing or the kind of account you're using, the option may not always appear. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to the Facebook website in your browser. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. After that, look for the Marketplace icon and tap or click it to open Facebook Marketplace. Once Marketplace opens, the next thing you want to do is start a new listing. Tap Create New Listing, or in some versions, you may see a sell option instead. Go ahead and select that, then choose the type of listing you want to create. For example, if you're selling a regular product or personal item, you can choose Item for Sale. Now it's time to fill in your listing details. Add clear photos of the item you're selling, since good images can help your listing stand out. Then enter the title, the price, the category, and a short but accurate description. You'll also need to set your location and complete any other required fields Facebook asks for. It's a good idea to double check everything here so your listing looks complete and buyers understand exactly what you're offering. Before you publish the listing, this is the most important part. Look for the Hide from Friends option on the listing screen. Once you find it, turn that toggle on. This tells Facebook that you don't want your marketplace listing shown to your Facebook friends. A quick note here, if you don't see this option, it may be because the listing type doesn't support it, or because you're using a business account rather than an individual seller account. So if the setting is missing, that's usually the reason. After that, review all of your listing information one more time. Make sure the photos, price, description, and location are correct, and confirm that the Hide from Friends setting is enabled. When everything looks good, tap or click Publish to post your item on Marketplace. And that's it. Your item will be listed on Facebook Marketplace with the Hide from Friends option turned on.